Hi, I'm Jasmine Choi and I'm cooking tomato paste right now. Okay, and look at this, right? It's still cooking, and I'm using this thing to prevent all the splashes from coming out, all the tomato paste from coming out. But see, when I turn it off, right, what happens? There's a countdown here, cooling countdown. And what does that mean? It means that you don't open the thing immediately because the tomato paste tend to have a lot of bubbles, right? It will plop out like lava, all right? And so they are preventing you from opening it fast to prevent injuries. Okay, see? I've got a lot ways more to go. Okay. Just thought I'll show you this. So let's resume cooking to speed 2.